വർമാസ് കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് സ്റ്റഡീസിൻ്റെ യൂട്യൂബ് ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസർ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. മുൻപ് എക്സാമിനേഷൻ ബോർഡിൻ്റെ പരീക്ഷകൾക്ക് മുൻപ് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഉത്തരങ്ങളും എല്ലാം കവർ ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. അതിൽ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ടത് വരാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ മാത്രം അവയുടെ ഉത്തരങ്ങളുമാണ് ഉൾക്കൊള്ളിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. അത് പല പ്രാവശ്യം നിങ്ങൾ കേൾക്കുക, മനസ്സിലാക്കുക, പഠിക്കുക. അതുപോലെ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും കൂടെ ചെയ്യുക. നമുക്ക് ചോദ്യത്തിലോട്ട് കിടക്കാം. കസ്റ്റോഡിയൻ ഓഫ് പ്രൊഫഷണൽ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഫണ്ട് ഈസ് ഡാഷ്. കസ്റ്റോഡിയൻ ഓഫ് പ്രൊഫഷണൽ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഫണ്ട് ഈസ് രജിസ്ട്രാർ ഓഫ് കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് സൊസൈറ്റീസ്. State Cooperative Union was established as per section. State Cooperative Union was established as per section 89. Dash is the Secretary of Circle Cooperative Union. Dash is the Secretary of Circle Cooperative Union. Eisen Registrar General. The three-tier credit system was recommended by. Three-tier credit system was recommended by Magellan Committee. The number of regional office of banking ombudsman. The number of regional office of banking ombudsman 21. NI Act means Negotiable Instruments Act. One man, one vote principle was recommended by Dash Committee. One man, one vote principle was recommended by MC Lagan Committee. The extreme power of a cooperative society is vested in its dash. The extreme power of cooperative society is vested in its general body. As per section 57A of KCS Act, dash was formed. As per section 57A of KCS Act, Kerala Cooperative Societies Act, dash was formed. Cooperative Development and Welfare Fund. After registration, the society should convene its first general body within a period of dash. After registration, the society should convene its first general body within a period of 3 months. Section 68 deals with dash. Section 68 deals with surcharge. Cooperative Ombudsman in Kerala is set by Government of Kerala. Section 80A relates. Section 80A relates pension scheme. Rule 188 deals with staff pattern. Who is empowered to appoint a returning officer to conduct the election in a primary non-credit cooperative society? Who is empowered to appoint a returning officer to conduct the election in a primary non-credit cooperative society? State Cooperative Election Commission. The affiliation fee and the annual renewal fee payable by cooperative societies to the state cooperative union is calculated on dash the affiliation fee and annual renewal fee payable by cooperative societies to the state cooperative union is calculated on paid up share capital. The date in which the Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969 came into force, the date in which the KCS Act 1969 came into force, 15th May 1969. 15th May 1969. In a cooperative society, special general body meeting is convened as per section. In a cooperative society, special general body meeting is convened as per section 30. Convened as per section 30. Banking Regulation Act passed in the year. Banking Regulation Act BR Act passed in the year 1949. RBI was established in which year? RBI was established in which year? 1935. NABARD was established in which year? NABARD was established in which year? 1982. NPA in banking terminology means NPA, non-performing asset. A bill of exchange is an dash order, unconditional order. The person to whom the payment is to be made is payee. Another name of quantitative credit control method, general credit control method. Commercial paper is a dash commercial security. Commercial paper is a short-term commercial security. Bank holidays are prescribed according to Negotiable Instruments Act. The chief executive of RBI is called Governor. CRR denotes cash reserve ratio. CRR denotes cash reserve ratio. Prudential norms are recommended by the committee headed by Narasimhan Committee. IFSC is the short form of Indian Financial System Code. Indian Financial System Code. MICR code consists of dash digits. MICR code consists of 9 digits. Asset liability management is a part of dash management. Asset liability management is a part of risk management. Bank which are started as a part of 20-point program is banks which are started as per part of 20-point program is RRB, Regional Rural Banks. Bill of exchange in vernacular language are generally called Hundis. Which of the following is not a modern banking function? Options: safe custody of valuables, merchant banking, cross-border banking, bank assurance. Which of the following is not a modern banking function? ഇതാണ് ചോദ്യം. ഇതിനകത്ത് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് സേഫ് കസ്റ്റഡി ഓഫ് വാല്യുബിൾസ്, സേഫ് കസ്റ്റഡി ഓഫ് വാല്യുബിൾസ്, ബി മെർച്ചന്റ് ബാങ്കിങ്, സി ക്രോസ് ബോർഡർ ബാങ്കിങ്, ഡി ബാങ്ക് അഷുറൻസ്. ഇവിടെ ആൻസർ സേഫ് കസ്റ്റഡി ഓഫ് വാല്യുബിൾസ്. ഇതാണ് മോഡേൺ ബാങ്കിങ് ഫംഗ്ഷനുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെടാത്തത്. Section 10 of the Negotiable Instruments Act defines, Section 10 of the NI Act defines holder in due course. ICA was set up in 1895. ICA was set up in 1895. CAPE was registered as per Dash Act. CAPE, Cooperative Academy for Professional Education, was registered as per Literary, Scientific and Charitable Societies Act. CAREFED was set up in the year 1987. Supreme Control of Kerala Bank is dash. Supreme Control of Kerala Bank. Supreme Control, Supervisory Control ആണ് കേട്ടോ. Supreme Control അല്ല, Supervisory Control of Kerala Bank. Supervisory Control of Kerala Bank is dash. NABARD. Dash is the monthly publication of Cooperative Department of Kerala. Saharna Vidhi. Custodian of DB file of PCRDB. Custodian of DB file of PCRDB. Valuation officer. Handloom weavers, coir fisheries and milk cooperatives are examples of Dash societies. Handloom weavers, coir fisheries and milk cooperatives are examples of producers cooperatives. Producers societies. First International Cooperative Day celebrated in the year. First International Cooperative Day celebrated in the year 1923. NABARD was set up as per the recommendation of Rafi Card. Which is the first cooperative society in India? Which is the first cooperative society in India? Triplicane Urban Cooperative Society. In APCOS, the value of milk is calculated on dash in the milk. In APCOS, the value of milk is calculated on dash in the milk. Fat and SNF. Which among the following is a cooperative society? Which among the following is a cooperative society? Option NCDC, NDDB, Handex, State Cooperative Union. Handex ആണ് സൊസൈറ്റി ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്. Periyar Mixture is a product of dash. Periyar Mixture is a product of rubber mark. Kerajam is a product of dash. Market fed. Kerajam is a product of market fed. Dash was the chairman of Committee on Model Cooperative Societies Act. Dash was the chairman of Committee on Model Cooperative Societies Act. Brahmaprakash. National Rural Infrastructure Development Fund was set up with National Rural Infrastructure Development Fund was set up with NABARD. Headquarters of IFCO is at New Delhi. Vaidyanathan Committee appointed in the year 2004. Name of the institution which operate the mask. വേറെ രീതിയിൽ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ് നമ്മൾ ചോദിച്ചിരുന്നു. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ചോദ്യം ചോദിച്ചോ. Name of the institution which operate the mask. SBI, RBI, KSCB, NABARD. Answer KSCB ആണ്, Kerala State Cooperative Bank. In Kerala, long-term credit cooperatives and housing cooperatives are having dash tier structure. Long-term credit cooperatives and housing cooperatives are having two-tier structure. Kera Milk is the brand name of the product produced by Kera Milk, Kerala Dinesh B.D. Workers Central Cooperative Society. ICA Rope is situated at New Delhi. Cooperation at Home and Abroad was written by C.R. Fay. The monthly publication of NCUI, monthly publication of NCUI is dash the cooperator. Answer, the cooperator. Operation Flood is related to milk production. Trial balance is a dash, a statement. Periodic total of purchase returns journal is posted to. Purchase returns account. Which of the following is not an error of commission? Option A, overcasting of sales book. B, credit sales to Ravi to ₹1,000 credited to his account. Credit sales to Ravi ₹1,000 credited to his account. C, wrong balancing of machinery account. D, cash sales not recorded in cash book. ഇവിടെ ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് എറർ ഓഫ് കമ്മീഷൻ അല്ലാത്ത ഏതാണെന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഇതിനകത്ത് ക്യാഷ് സെയിൽസ് നോട്ട് റെക്കോർഡഡ് ഇൻ ക്യാഷ് ബുക്ക്, അതാണ് ഇവിടെ എറർ ഓഫ് കമ്മീഷൻ അല്ലാത്തത്. The accounting equation is based on dash concept. Dual aspect concept. Cash withdrawn by the proprietor should be credited to dash. Cash withdrawn by the proprietor should be credited to cash account. Premium on issue shares is a capital profit. Cash float is also called impressed amount. The debit note is prepared by dash buyer. Bank reconciliation statement is prepared by customer. Change in the value of current asset is called depreciation, fluctuation, appreciation, loss. Fluctuation, change in the value of current asset is called fluctuation. If machinery account is debited with the repair charges, it is an error of omission, commission, principle, none of these. Error of principle. Cash book is kept like journal, ledger, sales book, passbook. Cash book is kept like ledger. Credit note number will appear in the column provided in dash book. Purchase returns book, sales returns book, sales book, purchase book. Credit note number will appear in the column provided in sales returns book. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഉത്തരങ്ങളും നിങ്ങൾ പല പ്രാവശ്യം കേട്ട് വളരെ ശ്രദ്ധയോടുകൂടി പഠിക്കുക. ഇതിൽ പല ചോദ്യങ്ങളും പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ചോദിക്കാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ളതാണ്. വീണ്ടും നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കാണാം.